Bonjour les étudiants of class 9, hope you're doing good. So today's class will continue with the other exercises of lesson 4, okay, and dîner en famille. We'll be doing two exercises. One is with imperative, imperative, and the other one it's actually with article partitif, okay, article partitif, which is du, de, la, de, l'apostrophe, and de, right? So let's get into the slides, okay, please copy it properly, and then we'll meet in teams. And here we are. So mettez les verbes à l'impératif. So put the verbs in imperative. So we already saw imperative, you remember, in 8th standard, okay, in the last lessons, not last lessons, the 9th and 10th lesson, I think, we saw imperative. So what is imperative, you remember? So to give an order, okay, to give a command. So for a request we use imperative, okay, to order someone we use imperative, okay. So for example, listen, okay, take notes, write properly, okay, so stand for the prayer. So likewise we say those are imperative, okay. In imperative there won't be subject, okay, there won't be subject in an imperative form. And same way we won't be conjugating for all the subject pronouns, we'll be just conjugating for the second person and for the first person plural, okay, the second person singular and plural, and the first person plural alone will be conjugating imperative. So such as like tu, nous, vous, okay, tu, nous, vous. Just for these subject pronouns we'll be conjugating the verb, but without the subject pronouns, okay, just the verbs will be there. For example, parle, parlons, parler, oui, chante, chantons, chanter, travaille, travaillons, travailler, visite, visitons, visiter. So likewise, hope you remember. And in negation the same way, ne parle pas, ne parlons pas, ne parlez pas. Okay, so parle, parlons, parler, which means speak, let's speak, speak. Okay, ne parle pas, ne parlons pas, ne parlez pas means don't speak, let's not speak, okay, don't speak, that's it, okay. So here in this exercise you got to conjugate, you got to put the verbs in imperative. You can see these sentences are in affirmation, okay, these sentences are in present tense and in affirmation. Tu fais ton devoir, nous prenons le petit déjeuner, vous finissez votre travail, tu viens au marché avec moi, nous disons toujours la vérité. Okay, you can see there are subjects, okay, in front, and when you're changing to imperative you got to just remove the subject, okay. And normally this exercise is one of the easiest exercise, okay. So the idea is actually you just cut the subjects, the first words of all these sentences, and it's already over, the exercise it's already over. So we'll go little by little. Tu fais ton devoir, you do your homework, okay, you do your duty or you do your homework. So this is actually an affirmation. So now when you're changing this to imperative, it will be like do your homework, okay, do your homework. So how it will be in French, you just cut tu, will be adding fais ton devoir, okay, fais ton devoir, that's it. The second sentence, nous prenons le petit déjeuner, nous prenons le petit déjeuner. So we are taking the breakfast, we are having breakfast or we are taking breakfast. So you got to change it to imperative, will be like let's take or let's have breakfast, okay, let's have breakfast. In the place of we are having breakfast you got to change it to let's have breakfast. You just cut nous and you'll be writing prenons le petit déjeuner, prenons le petit déjeuner. There is no change other than taking the subject, okay, prenons le petit déjeuner. The third one, vous finissez votre travail, you finish your work, okay, you finish your work, vous finissez votre travail. So same way you got to do like do your work, okay, finish your work, finish your work. So you cut vous and just write the remaining sentence, finissez votre travail, finish your work, yeah. So the last before one, tu viens au marché avec moi, tu viens au marché avec moi. You come to the market with me. Okay, you come to the market with me. So now you go to change it to imperative. Come to the market with me. Okay, come to the market with me. Come with me to the market. Even that way we'll say in English, right? So you just cut to, you write the remaining. Viens au marché avec moi. Viens au marché avec moi. So come to the market with me. So the last one, nous disons toujours la vérité. Nous disons toujours la vérité. We always say the truth. Okay, we always say the truth. Let's always say the truth. Okay, let's always tell the truth, or let's always say the truth. Okay, let's always tell the truth. Disons toujours la vérité. You just cut nous. Disons toujours la vérité. That's it. Oui? So this is one simple exercise, but you go to revise imperative. Oui? So here are the answers. Just put that F in capital letter, the first sentence, F in capital letter, please. Mettez les verbes à l'impératif. Fais ton devoir. Do your homework. Prenons le petit déjeuner. Let's have breakfast. Finissez votre travail. Finish your work. Viens au marché avec moi. So come to the market with me. Disons toujours la vérité. Let's always tell the truth. Vérité means the truth. So I hope it's fine. So now we'll move to the next exercise. Compléter avec un article partitif ou une expression de la quantité. So compléter avec un article partitif. So even article partitif we have seen already. Okay. So it's actually du, de la, de l'apostrophe, des. Okay. So du, de la, de l'apostrophe ou des. Okay. Ou une expression de la quantité. Okay. So that can be anything. Un, une, beaucoup. Okay. Plusieurs, and so on. So anyway, we'll finish this with article partitif. So that will be better. Article partitif du, de la, de l'apostrophe des, all these means some. Okay, S-O-M-E most of the times. So elle a soif, the first sentence, elle a soif, donc elle veut dash jus d'orange. So elle a soif, it's actually an expression with the verb avoir. So she is thirsty. So okay, she is thirsty. Elle a soif. Okay, in English we use with the verb être, to be. She is thirsty, I am thirsty, I feel thirsty. Okay, but in French we'll be using it with avoir, I have thirst. Okay, I have thirst. Elle a soif, she is thirsty. Donc, which means so, it's a connector. She is thirsty, so she wants, elle veut, it's a verb vouloir. She wants some orange juice. Okay, we'll be saying she wants some orange juice. So you'll be using du, de la, de l'apostrophe, or des. Which one you'll be using? So you got to check the word jus d'orange. Okay, jus d'orange. Okay, so first it's actually the singular form. It's in singular form, jus d'orange. So we don't write des. Okay, and it doesn't start with a vowel. We don't use del apostrophe either. So it's D-E-L-A or D-U. Okay, so the word jus, it's masculine or feminine. The word jus, it's masculine. So we use du, D-U. Elle a soif, donc elle veut du jus d'orange. Okay, so she is thirsty, so she wants some orange juice. Du is the first answer, D-U. The second one, pour le déjeuner. Pour le déjeuner, for the lunch, nous prenons, we are taking, dash salade. Okay, we are taking some salad, you got to say. Dash poisson, poisson means a fish. Okay, some fish. A dash viande, and some meat. Okay, because these things can't be counted. Okay, so juice, salad, fish, or meat, you can't count it. Okay, so we'll be saying some. Okay, so we'll be using some quantity expression of a quantity, or we'll be using some. So in English there you got one common word, it's some, but in French we got masculine, feminine, vowel, consonant, okay, singular, plural, and so on. So for the lunch we are taking some salad. Okay, salad, okay, it's masculine or feminine, it's feminine. Okay, and it doesn't start with a vowel, it starts with a consonant S. So we'll be using de la salade. Nous prenons de la salade. Then we say poisson. Poisson, it's fish and it's a masculine noun. We use du poisson. Okay, du poisson, du, same way like the first sentence. Du poisson. Et de la viande. So viande, it's a feminine noun. We use de la viande. Okay, you can even say a beaucoup de viande. Okay, that's fine. But de la, it's fine even. Okay, et de la viande. Pour le déjeuner, nous prenons de la salade, du poisson et de la viande. For the lunch, we take some salad, some fish and some meat. The third sentence, le matin, je prends dash café et dash dosa. Okay, so this is actually a common breakfast for us. Okay, so the morning I take dash coffee, and some dosa. Okay, so le matin, the morning, je prends café, it's a masculine noun. Okay, café, it's a masculine noun, so we say du café. Okay, du café. Le matin, je prends du café. Et so you can say du dosa. Okay, et du dosa. Okay, so because it's not ending in S, so we better say du, or you can even say un dosa. Okay, even a dosa. Okay, one dosa. Okay, so those are the two possibilities. If it ends with S, then you can add des or deux trois dosa. You can say any number. Voilà, so le matin, je prends du café et du dosa. The last before one. Pour le dîner, for the dinner, je ne prends que. Okay, so I only take. Il ne prend que, which means he only takes. Okay, he takes just dash fruit et dash lait. So now you can see the word fruit, it ends with S, which means it's plural. Okay, so we'll be saying some fruits. Okay, some fruits. Okay, it still can be counted, but we'll be just we are not mentioning anything, we are just saying common. Okay, so normally we say he takes some fruits. Okay, il ne prend que des fruits. Des will be using here. Des fruits et dash lait. Et dash lait. Lait means milk. Okay, so milk, it's masculine. Okay, so we'll be using du lait. Et du lait. Pour le dîner, il ne prend que des fruits et du lait. Okay, he just takes some fruits and some milk. Okay? You can even say un verre de lait, okay, a glass of milk, okay, or fine, et du lait, it's fine. The last one, avec le petit déjeuner, with the breakfast. Okay, avec le petit déjeuner, with the breakfast, nous prenons toujours dash thé. Okay, so we always take dash tea. Okay, we always take some tea. Okay, with the breakfast. Some used to take coffee, some used to take tea, some used to take orange juice. Okay, so orange juice, it's really good early morning. Got citric acid. Okay, that will boost up your energy. Okay, so avec le petit déjeuner, nous prenons toujours du thé. Okay, even thé, it's masculine. Thé, café, same way. So both are masculine. Okay. So now we'll head to the answers. We'll check the answers. Here we go. Elle a soif, donc elle veut du jus d'orange. Pour le déjeuner, nous prenons de la salade, du poisson et de la viande. Le matin, je prends du café et un dosa or du dosa. You can write whatever you want. Pour le dîner, il ne prend que des fruits et du lait. Avec le petit déjeuner, nous prenons toujours du thé. So that's it for today. Okay, those two exercises, if you could copy in the notebook neatly, that would be better. Okay, so we'll meet in teams. Ciao guys.